Today, I'm going to show you how to personalize Mailchimp emails with a first name so your messages feel more personal, more engaging, and much more likely to get attention. This is a simple trick, but it can make a big difference in how your audience responds to your emails. If you run a newsletter, send promotions, or just want your emails to feel less generic, this is a great feature to learn. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, log into your Mailchimp account and go to the main dashboard. On the left side, click Campaigns. This is where Mailchimp keeps all of your email marketing campaigns. Once you're in Campaigns, click Create, then choose Email because we want to build a new email message. After that, click Regular. A regular email campaign is the standard option for sending a message to your audience. Now Mailchimp will ask you to name your campaign. Give it a clear name so you can find it later, then click Begin. After naming the campaign, you'll move into the design setup. Click Select Design to choose a layout for your email. For this tutorial, I'm selecting a basic layout because it's clean, simple, and easy to customize. Once the layout is chosen, Mailchimp will ask you to pick a tone or style. I'm selecting Minimal because a minimal design keeps the focus on the message and makes personalization stand out better. Now the email builder will open, and this is where the real customization happens. In the beginning, click on the text area where you want to edit the message. This could be your greeting, introduction, or any part of the email where you want to add a personal touch. Once you click inside the text block, look at the top of the editor. You'll see a 3-dot menu. Click that menu, then choose Merge Tags. Merge tags are special placeholders Mailchimp uses to automatically pull in subscriber information. From the list of merge tags, click First Name. Mailchimp will insert the tag into your email, and that tag will automatically be replaced with each recipient's first name when they receive the email. For example, instead of saying hello there, your email can say hello John or hi Sarah, depending on who is receiving it. That small change can make your emails feel much more personal and can help improve engagement. After you insert the first name merge tag, you can continue editing the rest of your message as normal. It's a good idea to double-check the spacing and punctuation around the tag so the final email reads naturally. You can also combine the first name tag with a friendly welcome line, a product offer, or a simple thank you message to make the email feel even more customized. Once your email looks good, save your changes and review the campaign before sending. It's always smart to send yourself a test email first, so you can see exactly how the merge tag appears in the inbox. That way you can make sure everything displays correctly before your subscribers see it. And that's it. You've now learned how to personalize Mailchimp emails with a first name. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make your emails feel much more human and much more effective. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.